NASA is moving forward with a groundbreaking plan to introduce a standardized time zone on the Moon. This proposed Coordinated Lunar Time, LTC, will help simplify future lunar missions and exploration by making it easier to schedule operations. As the space industry expands and more countries and companies take an interest in the Moon, establishing a unified time standard is becoming a critical need. NASA is collaborating with the U.S. government, commercial partners, and international standards organizations to make this vision a reality. According to Ben Ashman, an aerospace engineer at NASA's Space Communications and Navigation (SCAN) team, having a shared definition of time will be essential for ensuring safe and sustainable operations on the lunar surface. To keep time on the Moon, NASA plans to use atomic clocks, which are already used here on Earth. These clocks work by measuring the energy needed for electrons to change states in specific types of atoms, providing incredibly precise time measurements. However, there's a significant challenge. Due to gravitational differences between Earth and the Moon, time passes slightly faster on the lunar surface. This means that a second on the Moon is slightly shorter than a second on Earth, causing timepieces on the Moon to gain about 56 microseconds per day. Although this might not sound like much, it's a big deal when traveling at the speed of light. Over a day, those 56 microseconds are enough for light to travel the distance of around 168 football fields. As Cheryl Gramling, a senior navigation systems engineer at NASA, explains, an astronaut orbiting the Moon could appear to be 168 football fields away from where they actually are if the effects of relativity aren't considered. Scientists are hard at work developing the mathematical models needed to solve this problem and ensure that astronauts' watches and those of ground control teams are perfectly in sync. Once these issues are resolved, NASA is confident that the system will be scalable for future use across the entire solar system, which could even be helpful for scheduling future communications with Mars. The development of Coordinated Lunar Time is a vital part of NASA's Artemis project, which aims to establish the first long-term human presence on the Moon. This effort includes the highly anticipated astronaut mission set for 2026, where the first woman and the first person of color will set foot on the lunar surface. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.